Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to install ProofHub as an app on Windows PC. So to start, go ahead and open any browser and go to proofhub.com. So once you're here, click the three dots at the top right. Then scroll down and go to Cast, Save, and Share. So once you're here, from the option, select Install Page as App. A window will appear. You can rename the app from here. And once done, click on Install. And that's it. You can now use ProofHub as an app on your PC. So from here, you can pin the app from the taskbar. So right click on the app and click pin to taskbar. So if you click the three dots at the top, so here you can copy the URL. You'll have the app info. You can open it in Chrome. You can zoom in and out. You can print it. And you can uninstall ProofHub from here too. So if you want to uninstall it, just select uninstall ProofHub, or you can also go to Start menu and go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to Installed Apps, and go to the search bar and search for ProofHub. Click the three dots and click uninstall. Then confirm the action, and that's it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.